Take three. Hi, my name is Mary, and I did my literature review on an infectious disease called malaria, which is a parasitic disease transmitted through mosquitoes in subtropical and tropical countries. These parasites carry bacteria and really only infect female mosquitoes. Then these parasites, bacteria, are transmitted to humans through the bite of a mosquito. There are multiple strands of this disease, but the two that are probably the biggest concern for humans are Plasmodium vivax and Plasmodium falciparum. Although this is a rare disease in America, there has been an outbreak in the late 1900s, and fortunately, cases declined over 60% since 2015. And I just found this out. The most recent locally transmitted malaria case was last year in 2023 in areas around Florida and Texas. So, although this isn't a major health concern in America, it is one of the world's public health threats, as it is known as a fatal disease with common symptoms like fever, chills, fatigue, diarrhea, nausea, and fast heart rate. And if left untreated, symptoms may show after just 24 hours, depending on the strand that the person may have. Um, so in my literature review, I focused a lot on the outside factors that contribute to this evolving infectious disease and the methods of treatments that scientists and medical professions have used. And since this disease is really only present in tropical areas, one of the biggest contributing factors is global warming, um, as it has a huge role in the increasing rate of malaria. The Amazonian region in South America has a lot of rainforests, and can face heavy rainfalls and tropical storms due to the changing climate and rising temperatures, resulting in floods. These floods and rising water levels provide a great breeding ground for mosquitoes to reproduce and spread throughout the area and neighboring areas. Specifically, the Albatrosis complex which is a closely related species of mosquitoes, is responsible for heavy malaria transmission. So a warmer climate is also an ideal condition for mosquitoes to thrive in, which results in population growth um, increasing significantly. This is a big concern mostly in South America, as it is mostly made up of rainforests and tropical areas, but it is also a health concern for America, since malaria is very much easily transmittable. Neighboring countries and regions that maybe don't have high malaria cases are still impacted because these mosquitoes can travel to the US and neighboring nations and spread the infectious disease there. So, therefore, it is our responsibility to help scientists and medical professions to eradicate this disease totally, as it is in our benefit as well. Enough of that. There are two popular treatment modes that many medical professionals use, which is pharmacognosy, yes, which is medicines that are naturally occurring and found in nature, and medicinal chemistry, which are chemically developed and man-made for the most part. Medicines that are naturally occurring are, I'm going to try to pronounce this, quinine, Lapicol, and artemisinin, which is locally found in South America and have a long history of treating malaria and other diseases. These active ingredients can be found and collected from tree barks, leaves, and whatnot, and have been used to treat those who are infected with malaria. Um, to enhance the performance of these medical properties, scientists have chemically modified these treatments to personalize it for each patient, as symptoms may look different depending on the individual. Um, yeah. So the duality of natural and chemical properties make an effective anti-malarial medicine, which has saved thousands of lives in South America and outside as well. So, with discoveries in malaria treatments rising, there is still a sense of urgency to address this health issue as it is worsening and infecting more people in the near future, based on current literature. So, a lot of the literature now talk about new medicinal approaches and developments for malaria infected patients, and what other contributing factors are in favor of this disease. I thought it was super interesting to learn not just about the disease itself and the symptoms, but what contributes to the dangers of it. So, yeah, thank you.